Hi guys, in this video we'll see the concept of suprafacial and antrafacial. To understand this, we must know some basics. In my last class, we studied 2 plus 2 cycloaddition and 4 plus 2 cycloaddition. There, we just shifted the phi system and we wrote the product. We never studied atomic orbital concept. Here, we'll study atomic orbital concept. This is atomic orbital. It got two lobes, first lobe and second lobe. The first lobe and second lobe, these are not same. These will differ in a symmetry. The symmetry of first lobe and symmetry of second lobe will be different. So that will be indicated by the first lobe and second lobe. You may indicate the first lobe by the red color and the second lobe by what? Green color. It is just an indication of symmetry. These lobes can also be represented by the positive sign and negative sign. Remember, this positive and negative, it is just to show the symmetry of different lobes, and these are not a charges. People confuse these as a charges. These are not a charges. Positive and negative, these are just a notations to indicate different symmetry of the lobes. This is what about atomic orbital. Look at here in ethene. There are two atomic orbitals here. These two atomic orbitals can have a same pace. Look at here, here also positive, here also positive. Both the positive paces are above and the negative paces are below. This is one combination. If this is the combination, means this is called as what? Supra. Next, if one is positive and another one is negative, in below one is negative and another one is positive. If this is the combination, means that is called as what? Antra. Remember, supra means both positive are above or both the negative are below. This is called as what? Supra. Antra means one above one is positive and another one is negative. Below one is negative and another one is positive. If this is the combination, means it is called as what? Antra. I have wrote many combination here. Look at here. This is positive. This is positive. This is called supra. Second, this is positive and this is positive. It is called as supra. The combination may be one is positive and another one is negative. If this means that this is antra. This is positive and this is negative. This is called as what? Antra. Here both are same here. Supra. It is different here. So it is antra. Here both are same. Supra. Here one is positive, another is negative. This is called as antra. Here one is positive, one is negative, means it is antra. Here both positive, means it is supra. So these many combinations are available here. When both are same, supra addition. When both are same, antra addition. When the addition is happening of same thing. When supra happening or antra happening, this is called as what? Suprafacial addition. Why the suprafacial means the addition happens across the same pace. Look at here, this is positive, this is positive. So addition happening across the same pace. Look at here also, addition happening across the same place, positive. Look at here, here also positive, here also positive. So addition is happening across the same place. Here it is negative, here it is negative. Addition happening across the same pace. If addition is happening across the same pace, it is called as what? Suprafacial. Look at, in this case, it is positive and this is negative. Addition is not happening across the same place. Look at here. Addition is not happening across. On node is forming here. Here it is across the same place. Here across the same place, but here it is not across the same place. One node is forming here. Here across the same place, but here one node is forming here. So if there is a formation of node, means this is called as what? Antrafacial. So you understood what is the meaning of suprafacial and what is the meaning of intrafacial. Suprafacial means addition of two molecules across the same pace. Antrafacial means addition of two molecules across a different pace. We'll put in terms of words. Suprafacial means addition of two molecules across the same pace of pi system. Antrafacial means addition of two molecules across the different phase of the pi system. Then what is the application of this suprafacial and intrafacial? The application is to check whether the given reaction is allowed or forbidden. When the reaction is allowed and when the reaction is forbidden. Remember, the reaction is allowed when it is a suprafacial. The reaction will be forbidden when it is antrafacial. We'll see this concept, allowed and forbidden things, by seeing some examples. We'll see 4+2 cycloaddition reaction and we'll check whether it is allowed or forbidden. For that, we'll take some simple example here. This is butadiene. This pi system will be shifted here. This will be shifted here and this will be shifted here. There is a formation of 6-member ring. You saw this example in our last class also. So this one is a molecular orbital diagram for butadiene. This is an example for molecular orbital diagram of ethane. One more important thing here is when the reaction is happening, HOMO of one molecule and LUMO of another molecule will be involved. HOMO means it is the highest occupied molecular orbital. This will be in a ready position to give electrons. LUMO means the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. This will be in a ready position to accept electrons. So one has to donate electron and one has to accept electrons. So HOMO is donating and LUMO is accepting. This is one combination. HOMO of this molecule or this may happen here. So there should be a HOMO of one molecule and LUMO of another molecule. Remember, HOMO of this molecule may be or HOMO of this molecule may be. Right? So the combination should be HOMO of one molecule and LUMO of another molecule. First we'll check this first combination. We'll check. We'll take HOMO of butadiene, LUMO of ethene. We'll take HOMO. This is the HOMO. Look at here. This is positive. This is positive. This is negative and this is negative. I'll write this thing here. Positive, positive, negative, negative. LUMO. LUMO, one is positive, one is negative. See here. Check these two things. One is negative, one is positive. One is positive and one is negative. So this is intra. Look at here, one is positive and one is negative. This is also intra. So the reaction is happening between intra and intra. And the reaction is happening across the same phase of the pi system. Look at here, between positive and positive, between negative and negative. So this reaction is allowed. If intra means you know that this is a suprafacial. We'll take another setup combination here. LUMO of butadiene will take. This will take. One is positive, one is negative, one is negative, one is positive. So positive, these two will be positive, this two will be negative. This is negative, this is positive, and this is negative. And we'll see the HOMO of ethene. Both are positive. So both are, look at here, both are positive at one side means it is a supra. Both positive are at one side means this is also supra. So this is supra addition. The overlap is happening between the same pace of the pi system. The overlap is happening between the same pace of pi system means this is a suprafacial. Suprafacial means you know that it is allowed. So what is the conclusion here? 4 plus 2 cyclo conclusion means 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction is thermally allowed. Thermally allowed. Next we will see a 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction. You know that these two molecules react together for the formation of cyclobutane ring. This is molecular orbital diagram for the ethene. In thermal condition, you know that this is the HOMO and this is the LUMO. In photochemical condition, you know that one electron will be shifted, so this will become a HOMO and there is no LUMO here. This thing you know. And you know that HOMO of one molecule, first we'll check for the thermal condition and then we'll go for a photochemical condition. Here HOMO of this molecule and LUMO of another molecule undergo the reaction here. So HOMO I will write here first, positive, negative and negative. Look at here, LUMO of the same molecule is undergoing a reaction here. So LUMO I will take this one is positive and another one is negative here. So positive and negative. This is supra, as positive charges are together. This is intra, as one is positive and another is negative. You know that this combination, supra intra combination, is not possible. This will be a antrafacial. This combination will be a antrafacial. If antrafacial means this is a forbidden reaction. So 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction in thermal condition is forbidden. Next we will check for the photochemical condition. While checking photochemical condition, we should be very, very careful. For that I will take example here. We will take 1 gram of ethene. We will take, let us say it got in 1 gram 100 molecules are there. When these 100 molecules undergo excitation, when we pass the light, these will be undergo excitation. Do you think all the molecules will be excited? No. Out of 100, only nearly 20 will be excited and 80 will be remains in the ground state. Look at here, 20 will be under excitation state and 80 will be remain in a ground state. What will happen in a photochemical condition? HOMO of excited molecule and LUMO of thermal molecule will undergo what further reaction? Remember, in photochemical condition, HOMO of excited molecule and LUMO of ground state molecule will undergo reaction. So here we have to take HOMO means this only, same thing we have to take positive, negative. This is a HOMO, this is for excited molecule, and LUMO means we have to take the same thing. One is positive, one is negative. This is the positive and this is negative. This is LUMO of, this is HOMO of excited molecule. This is LUMO of ground state molecule. What happened here? One is positive and another is negative. This is called as intra. One is positive and another is negative means this is also intra. So intra combination means it is a suprafacial. The overlap is happening across the same phase of the pi system, means it is a suprafacial. Suprafacial means it is allowed reaction. So what is the conclusion here? 2 plus 2 cycloaddition is allowed in a photochemical condition. Allowed. And it is forbidden in what? Thermal condition. So what is the summary? 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction is allowed in a thermal condition. 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, this is allowed in a photochemical condition reaction. Thank you for watching.